Hey, what's up guys? Prince of Macedon here. And remember that video I made talking about that Tamiya TT02 chassis RC that I bought off of eBay, and it was really destroyed, needed a whole new chassis. So I got that because it was a Korean exclusive Hyundai, which I freaking love the Hyundais. And this was the Hyundai i20 body. And I wanted to make it work because this is a rare find. I don't know if this is the authentic Tamiya body, but I freaking love it. So I bought the thing from eBay, and my plan was to bring it to the local RC car hobby shops because they offer repairs. So I brought it to two locations. I brought it to Mike's RC shop at Altamont Springs Mall. They took a look at the thing, they examined it, and they're like, you know, this is gonna be too much work. I don't want to like make you pay all that money. I'm like, I'll do it. I'll pay whatever you want. The guy was like, you know what? This will take too long. It's like building the chassis all over again. They're like, I'm not gonna do it. I'm like, dude, is this not a repair place? So the guy tried to sell me a Kyosho phaser chassis. You know how long those are? He said this body would fit on a Kyosho if I just adjusted the body post. That is false. I asked the guy, does it look a little long to you? I already knew the answer to that, and he still tried to sell it to me, and I basically walked out. Before he did that though, he told me straight up, hey, you know, you have the instructions, it should be easy to do at home. And I was like, dude, if it's that easy, why don't you do it? You offered the service, so why can't you do it? Anyways, I got fed up with that. I walked out. I tried another place about 10 minutes away. It was called Graves Hobby Shop or something. At least that guy was a bit more honest. He said he would have to order parts, and because of that, he wouldn't work on it. Regardless, none of those guys would help me. But my friend, my RC car friend up in North, he volunteered to do it. He took one look at my video and said, hey, he has a Tamiya chassis. He can make it work. So, fast forward to present time. Shen RC, a really great YouTube channel for RC cars, very active. He sent this to me. This is the chassis. He's worked on it. He's made videos on it. Now I'm gonna make an unboxing video showing you his work on this Tamiya chassis, which I thought was gonna be unresurrectable after my two debacles at the hobby shops. All right, let's take this out of the box. Yeah, my friend, he did a lot of work, and I was very grateful that he did. I already saw the videos. I already know all about this car since he already talked about it. But he got this RC car going to about 16 miles per hour. He said he could make it go faster, but he would have to do some more work to it. But 16 miles per hour was the safest he can do without the car overheating. Hold on, I'm trying to, you know what, let me just rip it. Okay, I couldn't just rip it. That was embarrassing. Let's see. All right, I am excited for this, guys. So in this video, I did show some driving footage. I think I did. But I'll show you better driving footage when I have free time. I've been working non-stop for the last, 2 weeks now? Over 2 weeks. I haven't had a day off yet, so I'm exhausted. So here's my friend. Yeah. Oh, he sent me some wheels to go with this. He says, have fun with it, Steve Shen RC. Yeah, this guy's great. His videos are all great. He always has RC content. This is the instructions I got. I paid for this instruction booklet so that the RC hobby shop could work on it. And they were like, hey, you know, with that instruction manual you got, you can work on this yourself. I'm like, if I can work it out myself, why do you think I brought it to you guys? I wanted you guys to work on it. And if it was that easy, then let me pay you to fix it. No, they wouldn't do it. But again, Shen RC did. And Shen sent the extra parts that I sent him. This is what I got with the eBay purchase. Oh, here's a remote. Here's a remote, guys. Sorry, I don't even know if I'm in frame. He said he had a cheap remote, and he sent this, which I'm grateful for, and he put this custom rubber cover for the wheel. So when I turn it, it's better, it's easier to grip. Beautiful. If you guys remember the last time I showed this in video, This thing was torn apart, but he has done a lot of work to this. He even added this styrofoam. So the previous owner actually did have a lot of aluminum parts. Yeah, honestly, I couldn't tell you everything Shen RC did with this, but I'm gonna link his videos to the video description so you can see all the changes that he made to this. Because when I got it, this thing was in pieces and needed so many things. But oh my god, this thing is a dream now. It's so sturdy. Because when I first got this from eBay, these things were flopping around. The chassis was pretty much destroyed. So Steve transferred this to the other chassis. This looks great now. So let's see what this thing looks like with the body on. This is a big reason why I wanted this chassis to work, is because this body was fitted for it. Although I think the previous owner kind of messed up when he put the body holes. So let's see if that's an issue with this. It's because the body mounts are a little high. So I just have to lower this a little bit. Let's put it down to like here. That should be a bit lower. And this should look better now. Oh, there you go, guys. Oh yeah. You know, I could probably make this even lower actually. But oh man, this looks great. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna trim these body posts down, because right now there's a lot of excess on it. Oh my gosh, this is why I wanted this chassis to work. And I'm so glad that people like Shen RC exist, because he is like a freaking RC angel. It's like he took mercy upon my chassis and decided to resurrect it. And yeah, this is what I wanted. It was so hard to find this. When I found it on eBay, I was like, I gotta have it, even though it was destroyed. Like, they had kits available, but I heard kits are like a pain in the butt. But yeah, I thank goodness for Shen. Shen fixed this whole thing up. He did so much work to this. And I gotta say, I am probably gonna boycott those local RC hobby shops in Orlando or Altamont, whatever, because they would not help me. They absolutely would not help me. Even though I was gonna pay them money and I was gonna take advantage of the service that they offered, but they would not do it. They just would not do it. And it made it worse when the guy tried to sell me a Kyosho phaser body or a phaser chassis to fit this. It did not fit that. And then him trying to like get me out of the store by telling me, oh yeah, you know, with the instruction manual, you can totally do this yourself. If it was that easy, I wouldn't have brought it to you, my friend. Let me just show you some quick driving footage, and then in a separate video, I'll show you better driving footage when I get the day off. But for now, let me just show this to you in the garage, just to see that it's actually working. So here's a remote that Shen provided for this chassis after he fixed it. Let's turn this on. Oh, there you go. Here's the body. So let's have a seat. Ooh. So you can't really go full speed in the garage here, but there's not much space here. But this is a dream to see this thing driving. Oh my god, this is great. That was a close call there. Oh god, this is great. Oh yeah. Again, Steve RC, I'll put the link to his channel in the description. If you're an RC car fan, you gotta subscribe to his channel. He has so much content for RC cars, and he frequently uploads. So he is a workhorse, and he does great work. And this is just more proof of how awesome his channel is. So go to his channel, subscribe. He does so many videos for RC cars.